Guys, MEXC is giving away a Ferrari SF90 Stradale and prizes that goes up to $10 million. Watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of MEXC. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Let's head straight to the Ferrari giveaway site that they made specially for this event. So MEXC's Win Big Everyday Ferrari Up for Grabs event is actually offering an opportunity for traders to showcase their expertise and win big in one of the most exciting perpetual future trades of all time. Now, with a total prize pool of 10 million USDT, this event stands out as a premier trading challenge that is packed with rewards and opportunities. So at the heart of the competition is the grand prize, which is the Ferrari SF90 Stradale that is worth 500,000 US dollars. And this luxurious high-performance sports car will go to the top trader who will demonstrate the exceptional skill and making it the ultimate recognition for trading mastery. Imagine that. You already made a lot of trades, won big, and you still get home with a Ferrari, right? Now, what sets this event apart from the other ones is its multi-layered reward system. So daily scratch cards offer chances to win up to $2,024, while the weekly prizes can go up to 5,000 USDT and keep the competition alive and rewarding. So every trade matters, and every participant has the chance to walk away with significant prizes. So this is actually a very good way to end 2024 winning big, having that bull run with you, getting as much profit as you can from your trade. Now, running from November 17th, 1600 UTC until December 17th, 800 UTC, this limited time event demands early action. So go ahead and check this one out, do your own research, and start trading. That way you would have the opportunity to win big. And who knows, right? You could be that lucky person or lucky trader that will win that Ferrari SF90. Now, MEXC is also the ultimate platform for traders that are seeking the next big altcoin, guys. And just a quick trivia, Shiba, yeah, you know Shiba, the alt token, the meme coin, it is an early token that was listed in MEXC. And then a month after, that's when it got listed to Binance. So if you are trading with MEXC and you found that one out and, traded, hodled that token, a month after, that's going to be like 100x already or more. So it happened before. There's no miracle that it will happen again. Now, with the lowest fees in the market, MEXC ensures that the future traders save significantly in the long run, making it the preferred platform for both seasoned professionals and the newcomers as well. Also, guys, MEXC's innovative affiliate program is also a good sideline or a good alternative income generating for you. That way, you could give your referral link to your friends or your family that also is looking for a really, really good trading platform. And then you get commissions out of their trades. So that is how it works. That is also one way to generate income, even if you are not doing your trades. All right. So guys, just a quick summary. We checked out MEXC's Ferrari giveaway, all the exciting prizes that they have in stake right now. Go ahead and check them out. Follow all their social media platforms as well. That way you will always be updated with any announcements, events like this, airdrops, giveaways, anything and everything that talks about MEXC. You will not miss out on those. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount.